Again, you have to click on add content and you have to select certificate. So right now I am doing human resources training and certification by in IIT Guwahati, but provided by expatriates. So this is my ongoing certification, which will be completed into I guess February. So I will just mention it here on my CV. So on right side you can see here human resources training and certification in IITG provided by Expectron, which is ongoing. You have to also mention the date here. Again I will click on add content and the only section is remaining, which is education. So simply you have to write your highest education, nothing else. Not graduation degree or nothing, just highest education. So if your highest education is graduation, you mention graduation. If your highest education is post graduation, just mention your post graduation. So I will just simply write your masters of business administration, MBA in HR in human resources and business analytics. And my college was JSPM's Giant Institute of Management Studies. That's it. You have to enter your city. So you have to just mention the duration, which I'm going to write it December. Due to the COVID, my college started 6 months late, so December 2022, September 2022. Same. So here you can see I have filled up all the details in my resume. Now you can see on right side that this is how my CV will look. So this is the sequence. What I have written is like on the top you have to write like year, you have to write your name, your job designation, mail ID, number and city. And after that you have to write career objective. This is the sequence. This is the sequence you should follow for making a ATS friendly resume. So first you have to write career objective, second you have to write professional experience, then you have to write skills, then you have to write projects, then certificates and then education. Follow this sequence. If you want your CV to get approved in ATS, then this is the format you should follow. So here I have not mentioned any personal details on my CV like address or my marriage status or whatever. Nothing personal. And even you can see that there is no photo on my CV. So this is like what people think that I should put photo on my CV. You should never put a photo on your CV because it might get rejected on ATS. Simply, this is a ATS-friendly CV. In skills, you have to just write 4 to 5 skills. Then project, you have to mention what project you did in your college or in your job. So, and certificates, what are the certificates you have done and what are ongoing, and your education details and your professional experience and your career objective. So this is a ATS friendly CV. Simply you have to, now how to download this. So concentrate what I am saying. Here you can see a download option. Download. Click on download. Here you can see my CV got downloaded. Resume downloaded. And simply you can open your CV and you can see your CV. So this video was about how to make a ATS friendly CV using flowcv.com application. So you can also download this application on your phone, like anywhere, anytime you can edit your CV, and also you can directly go on the website, which is www.flowcv.com, or you can see app.flowcv.com. So this was about Flow CV. I will come back with new videos. Thank you.